Alright, so I got my new tires on the truck. Before we installed the Rough Country 3-inch lift with the Striker manufacturing control arms. Looks pretty good. So these are Lancaster 35 12 50 17s. They're the RTs. They're 10 plies. I paid about $850 for them off eBay. Just mounted them at my buddy's shop. They look pretty good. We'll see how they last. I'll measure them out. They're definitely not a true 1250, which I'm on a stock wheel, but still the tread there's about 10 line. Yeah, don't even seem close to a 1250, but that's cool, because actually I didn't, if there would have been a 12 or a 10.5 option, I'd have went with that. Let's see what the height is. They are, ooh, these are 33s. Not so happy with that. I'd have liked them to have been a full 35. So actually these may be shorter than the ones I had on there before, because that's why you pay the cheap price. So before I had these Michelin 295 7017s. They were about 8 years old. It was time to replace them. So at full tilt with no squish, we got a good bit off of our mud flap here. So if you didn't have mud flaps, it wouldn't even really be close. So that's good. Plenty of clearance between the control arms. So now these are actually 33, about 33 1050s, so take that into account there. Guess I should have bought 37s. Thanks for watching.